Good morning, you guys. Back with another video. This morning, I'm cooking me some good old breakfast. I'm cooking low sodium bacon. I got this bacon from Aldi's, you guys. It's really good. So, I've been cooking for a while. It's time for me to turn this piece. So, how's your morning going? Mine's going great so far. I'm glad I got that barbecue stuff out the way yesterday, so I can relax and get some things done. I need to binge watch some television programs. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook just a little bit more. Okay, I got my coffee here on deck. That time is wrong on here. I don't set the time, but that's my coffee right there, you guys. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to make me a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Okay, so once this bacon cook a little more, I will be back shortly. Okay, you guys, my bacon is all done. I got my butter melting in a skillet. Okay. So I like my butter to be all melted. It's almost there. Okay. Here's my eggs. And I'm going to season it with a little black pepper, you guys. Black pepper on deck. I'm going to add a little slap your mama, just a little of this. Give it a little flavor. That's about it. Okay. Notification, they looking for somebody. Oh my goodness. People don't act right. So, here's my eggs. And I will be right back once they start bubbling up. And I'm going to straighten up my kitchen. Okay, you guys. My eggs is all scrambled up. Now, I can add some cheese, please. I like my eggs too, you guys, put a little color on there, like the brown. So I'm gonna let that sit. And here's the bread that I'm going to be using. Okay, so I'm gonna pour my coffee. Here's my bacon, eggs, and cream. I was laughing. I was watching CNN and no, MSNBC, and they was arguing on there. Ridiculous. So I walked away from that. Okay. Let's try it all over the place. Okay. So that's my coffee in my mug. Okay, my egg should have been melted over here. Yeah, look at that cheese. Okay. This is whole grain toast. I didn't want mashed toasted. They like the brownish thing. You see that? I like my eggs like that. So I'm going to give me a couple of slices of bacon and put it back in the skillet to warm it up. Okay. Good, y'all. And I will be back and my plate is made. Okay, you guys, my sandwich is all made up. And here you go. Look at that cheese pull. Bacon and egg and cheese sandwich. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat all of this, so I might wrap this piece up in some saran wrap and maybe heat it up later on for the afternoon. But this is my breakfast, you guys. So I'm going to sit and enjoy. And there's my coffee. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now.